myself looking around my living room and wondering what else I can make money from. Here's how you can make money from your stuff. Selling your stuff. Now, if you are looking around your house and thinking that it's full of things that you haven't used in a while, then sell it. It's better than cleaning and dusting it. My favourite place to sell things is Facebook Marketplace. There are no fees for listing products and you can decide how you receive payment. Postage or collection is agreed between you and the buyer. Facebook also makes it very easy to share your listing to relevant selling groups. Other favourites include eBay for more specialist stuff like the husband's computing bits, Gumtree for furniture, and WeBuyBooks for, well, books. Ziffit is also a good one for other forms of media too. For the right price, you will find someone to buy almost anything you have to sell. There are very few things that I don't at least try and sell before donating, recycling, or frustratingly throwing away. Renting your stuff. So this is an idea that's still quite new to me and I haven't tried it, but I love the idea of it. Obviously, I've been aware of Airbnb for renting out your property for a while, but renting out individual things is a whole new world for me. I found out about it when a friend of mine told me that she was trying to sell her cross trainer. She had been contacted by a company called Fat Llama. I said I would take a look into it for her. Mostly because I was curious about the idea. Essentially, this company acts as a mediator between people who have stuff to rent and those that want to use them. They offer insurance for your things and provide a site to list your items on, and they deal with payments too. If you're someone who has a shed full of hardly used specialist tools, then you might be able to make some money. Or maybe you have a lot of camping equipment but only go twice a year. Take a look at their website and see what you think. I'd love to hear from anyone in the comments who has tried it, and I'll let you know once I have tried it out myself. Reviewing your stuff. There are a couple of ways to do this. A, using an app. B, through your own platform. The latter is probably the easiest, but you can make money both ways. Swagbucks is a catch-all for this one. They regularly offer payments for completing reviews about various brands and products. Yes, it is not as simple as deciding you want to write about something and doing it. You'll have to wait until a survey comes up about something you are able to review. Starting your own blog would give you the freedom to write about what you like and the chance to make money from it. There are many sites around that are purely dedicated to this, and they make good money. With a blog, you have a couple of choices about how you monetize your review. You could use affiliate links. You hope that people are inspired by your review enough to buy the products themselves, and follow a link that makes you some money. You could approach the manufacturer and see if they will sponsor you to write a post about that product. If they like you and you fit their branding, they may well agree to this. Alternatively, you could flip the idea on its head and ask for the products in exchange for the review. If there are products that you are considering buying, then you could contact a company and ask if they would be willing to send you the item in exchange for a write-up. Naturally, this won't work every time, but you might just get lucky. Photographing your stuff. If your home is full of pretty things and you've got an eye for photography, then this could be the one for you. Selling photos is a great way to make passive income. Businesses and website owners are always looking for images to enhance their materials and content. To avoid people from seeing the same free images used over and over, many are willing to pay for new and unique images that match what they are trying to promote. Therefore, a few cleverly positioned items taken in good lighting could provide you with a source of income. The more pictures you take, the higher your potential return. There are several websites around where you can upload your photos for sale. Shutterstock is the one that I'm most familiar with. You upload your images and they pay you every time someone downloads one. You can earn up to about $2 or like £1.50-ish for each one. The great thing about this is that once they've uploaded, that's it. You can potentially make money from them forever with little to no input from you. Isn't this just the best way to make money? Lastly, you could use your stuff to make more stuff. So some of my stuff is purely there for entertainment or out of necessity. However, there are many items that I bought because they could serve me in some way. My laptop is a great example of this. I bought my laptop when I decided I wanted to start my website and my business. It was my intention that this laptop would enable me to make money in the future. I have used my laptop to make thousands, like tens of thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of pounds, and it has paid for itself many times over. My sewing machine is another example of this. I bought it because I wanted to learn how to sew and also use it to repair clothes and make some things. I've saved so much money by repairing and making things that it has probably saved what it has cost me. But my sewing machine has the potential to make me money too. I've made a few things with it that I have been able to sell, mostly to friends and family because I lack the confidence in my sewing ability, but that is another story. If I wanted to, I could have pursued this and started making items to sell for a profit. When it comes to craft stuff, you could easily turn these from hobby items into money spinners. A little determination and an Etsy shop could see you on your way to a side hustle that is both profitable and enjoyable. What could you do to make money from your stuff? Share your ideas in the comments below, and whilst you're there, hit that subscribe button. A big thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!